Mornings, soccer. Star Luke. You're new here, right? I haven't seen you before. Let me just check that the sound is good. Ugh. One, two, 1, 2. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. All right. Bias. Bearish. Hope not everyone is on Discord because good evening, David. Good morning, DJ. Good morning. Okay, good, nice. Hey, hope you are fine. Do you guys know what to do when the chart hasn't updated since 6 a.m.? Even though I have DX feed? No idea, bro. I have Rhythmic. What's up, Ryan? Pass my chat. Nice, bro. Well done. Yeah, okay, really short. Bias, bearish. We shifted lower, but yesterday was a bank day, so we shifted lower. I'm looking at value area low on the composition profile, so if that's something. And yeah, already marked out delta levels from previous profiles. This is the close, so yeah, let's see. Gold all-time high. I swear I'm short too. Nice. Nice. We got some news today. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got a lot of people will be on Fabio's live session today. Actually, now that I think about it, yeah, I was like, where are everyone? Yeah, we might be fewer people today. I'm scalping gold today. Good time. Nice, bro. Nice. Okay, market opens in 1 minute. And this is the profile I'm watching. You will be on Fabio live session? No. I have school. I would have been, but I didn't. But I will do it in Q2, most likely. So, yeah. But a lot of people from the Discord seems to have joined that. So I'm gonna talk to them later to see how it was, if it's good. Okay, let's see. Okay, market open. Going above all of this. You know what? I have to test Lucid also. This is officially the first day I'm trading it. I have to test it and see that it works, that I don't have any issues. So I'm gonna go execute just a small trade to see how it is. Where's the footprint? What's up, Peng? Will you share your tip that you want to buy? But yeah. What's up, Peng? Peng, I have the footprints here. I have to try out Lucid now. I'm gonna try to execute something just to see if it works. But bro, that to analyze this, holy shit, you have to be fast. Look at this. Let's see. Wait, what did one guy say? Will you share what user tips that you use? I want to buy. Yeah. Okay, yeah, Panda. Yeah, I thought I read something else. Yes, I will share. Yeah, just wait for your level to hit. Yeah. Trying something. Oh. Okay, let me see. Oh shit! Wait, hold on. Okay. I'm going for a gap fill play in case it breaks above. This is also a reload level, so trap sellers. We got some sellers here, buyers here. If we go above, these guys got to cover themselves, so that's something. That could be a play. By the way, Peng, a lot of guys are in Fabio's live session today. So we won't be full house today. I want to see this footprints. This is holy shit. How are you meant to analyze this? Oh, I wanted to put. No. I'm gonna try something here. Oppa. Nice. Oh shit, okay, I missed my trade. Got a quick scalp for 15. This might be super risky because I haven't used footprints before. Let's see if we get some aggressive sellers in the zone. I'm looking where we are right now. Oh, I like it. Aggressive sellers, buyers at top. If we push above, these guys have to cover themselves. Then maybe we get a squeeze. Okay, I'm gonna cover myself right below here. Okay. What is it? Risking $12? I feel like this is so zoomed in. Like, sure. Entries might be good and so on, but okay, stop that. Holy shit, let me just zoom out a little because this was too fast. Damn. Okay, retest. Back to pocket, looks like we're going. I'm just gonna try something like this. I want to see. Holy shit, this is too fast. This is for real too fast, man. How does one scalp on this? Okay, that was a win. Okay, net. I tried yesterday. What's up? Nice, bro. Yeah, you might adjust and use like a 1 minute time frame. Yeah. Holy shit, this was 1 minute time frame. Let's see how it looks. Okay. This makes more sense. Fucking hell. Bro, how much do I have to zoom in? Okay, I don't really think the numbers are so important, just the levels. Okay, back to poke. Now we're gonna get some shit, so I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna stay out. Wait, I wanna see this again. Oof, buy here. And then push. Yeah, we were at puck still. Yeah, don't zoom too much. At least you can see those. Yeah. Increase the tick number. Oh shit, wait, I'm missing. Let me try this. I wanna see how it goes. Putting myself to break even if we break above it again. It looks like it's gonna fail. See? Yeah, it's failing. Yeah, stop. Okay. Okay, I'm just trying it out. Let's see. Where is range? What if I put it to 60? How does it look? I'm looking for this gap fill. Look at the buyers. Destroyed. Still waiting for it to reach daily high. Wait for reaction. All right, done for today. See you tomorrow, comrade. Have a good fishing. Nice, bro. Damn. The real question is, where do you put your stop loss using the footprint now? I don't know. Nice, good trade, huh? Good trade. This was a little vague. How you say it? Maybe there. It's reason for the poke again. Yeah, got it. Got the trade. Quick scalp. This was actually super interesting. This with footprints. Obviously, this was a little like here. I only saw this buy aggression. These sellers. I think, okay, if I enter here, these guys reload. These guys cover themselves. And we got the move, but yeah, you gotta be fast, like super fast at it. I'm plus $80. This is good. First day of the combine of the Lucid account. Let's see, push it. Trying to risk $30 to $50 for every trade. Nice. Should have hold more. Yeah. Let's see. I always take. Yeah, nice read on that. Yeah. It's good. It's good. It's good. Now we're at POC. Now we just wait. Price reacted to this low volume node. Rejected. Let's see. Let's see. Look at this buy aggression at this level. Failed. Retest now lower on the big sellers. What about this? If we trade above, all of these sell aggression have to cover themselves. These sellers have to cover themselves. And these sellers have to cover themselves. And these buyers reload. I don't know if you should think about it like that when it comes to what is footprints and stuff. We have POC below us. What's up, Arvelon? What's up? betting that these guys will recover, reload if we break above, and these guys cover themselves. Obviously, we have these trap buyers. Poke right below us. I want to go for the gap fill. Okay, never mind. Okay, wait, this is previous day poke also. Oof. Previous day's poke is this green one, and this is today's poke. And we're bouncing between them. Yeah, okay, maybe better to wait. Back inside value area, high again. Yeah. Perhaps it's ideal to play the ranger, right? Or? Oof, look at this. Back in poke. Hello boys, what's up, Rio? Simple, good. Took 2 trays. I'm up 80. I think, yeah, will be a slow day today. Most of the guys are away. They are watching Fabio's live session today. Came back, retested this. Push. He's doing. Yeah, I will search for selling Intel poke of day before cash session cash. All right. Yeah, probably going to copy his trade. Well, most likely. New York session equals chop chop. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Who knows? Yeah, probably a lot of them will copy the trades. They will make money back on their investment if they if they do it, I assume. Or even earn even more money. Just take it as a signal. Well, yeah. Oof, look at all of this buy aggression. I'm gonna jump in here. Try to cover myself right below if we get something. Yeah, I'm covering myself below these. If this fails now, I'm out. And I'm glad if it takes me out before. The thing is, will this be the breakout? The early breakout? Let's see. My target is up there, so. And I'm gonna cover myself right now because if these guys get trapped, then don't wanna be in it. Let's see, will we get the gap fill? If it goes above, I'm gonna trail my stop loss right below. It looks like they're getting trapped or absorbed. Let's see. If it fails, putting my stop loss there. Nice. Took myself out for something at least. Giving it a retry if we trade above. These are all guys are trapped. The sellers, these guys will reload or fail. We are at the low volume node right now. That's the thing. And POC, why is it 2 POCs? Oh, okay, never mind. Aggressive buyers at the top. Let's see. I'm interested in this. I'm gonna try something like this. I'm up $100. So these guys cover themselves, these guys reload. Maybe we get a gap fill. Gold and Euro USD pumped up to the moon. No, it's not my fund. It's Lucid. Nice, same trade, but still holding. Nice, bro. I like the footprints. It's like gives you really detail, like we're on the levels. Look at this, sell aggression. If these guys get absorbed, and all of this has to cover themselves. Look where it's reacting from. Okay, killing it. Let's wait for something else. Remove this. They're still holding. Look at all of this sell aggression. Holy shit. Okay, never mind. Going back to previous day SPOC, which is here. You know what? I'm gonna make this one like this so it makes more sense. Should have entered at 25,300, but too late. Happens, bro. Exactly. Footprint plus bias and content. Yeah, I like it. I like it. You see, today, how many trades we taken? 3 real trades. Those were all wins. First was this one. Then we had something else, and obviously one where I was too slow to break even. But I like it. It's like, yeah. Oh, the entries makes more sense. Like it's more detailed. You can have your stop loss a lot smaller. Look at this level. Damn. Took a short to 25 300. Nice. Let's see. Okay, back to POC basically. That's where your short is aiming. Look at this level. This is the level. Look at the precision. Holy shit. Look how precise that is. Let's see if it holds, obviously. Nope. Lost. This will go to POC and it will hit your trade, bro. Like, almost guarantee. Yeah, this will go to your POC. Give it some time. Retest of this sell aggression. Boom. Target hit. Clean. Or it edged you by a tick or something. Okay, no worries. Now it should have hit. TP smash. Nice, nice. Whoa, on the first day of action. Yeah, it's good. Yo, I'm not gonna be talking, but just gonna be in here, give the view to you. Have a good stream. Everybody. No worries, bro. Nice. Okay, Sam. It's fine, Sam. It's good. What's up, Martin? Yo, Martin. I tried your Peng and yours footprint. 3 trades today. Both were wins. Like it's super like. Here was the first one. So above this aggression and these aggressive sellers, back to POC. And yeah, where was the second one? Okay, I forgot where the other 2 were, but it's really good. It's fast though. That's the thing. Okay, rejected from POC. Now we got buy aggression here. This is the levels I'm looking at. Oh shit. Maybe a reload. Reload from these guys. They don't get absorbed. And then we push above these. Trap the sellers. Much better than just... Yeah, exactly, Peng, bro. This is so much better. I took long at the nice. Yes, never keep the context out. Yeah, this is good. 60. Oh, shit, we got news? I'm going for it. I'm going for it, bro. I'm going for the gap fill. Or will it be a gap fill? Nah, okay, it's POC is right there. Never mind, never mind. And we got news. Okay, I'm out of... I'm not gonna take the trade. TP, it's so nice. We have no news. Isn't it... yeah, I don't know. I don't use financial juice. I don't know. Martin, don't you guys have Fabio's live session today? I didn't have time to put stop. Want to take a buy up to this distribution, so double distribution day. Ping pong between these. But we are just chopping. Tarif from Supreme Court was we have 30-minute delay. I'm done with my session. Nice. Tarif from Supreme Court was standing today. 30-minute delay. Oh. I think I'm also maybe done for today. I'm up 100. I think it's, I don't know. Our time is only 4 o'clock. They are in range between 25,300 and 25,330. Yeah, basically between the pokes. I think they have problems with oh, okay. They will solve it. I think maybe many people are ready with their accounts, right? They're ready to just copy trade today. Look what Fabio does and get the payout. I'm on short from value. Okay, nice, bro. I started to train them to be nice, bro. Yes, keep doing. Exactly. Yeah. Wait, Peng, you went short from value area high. Okay. Where did you take it from? Back to I understand this trade, but where did you take it from? I'm looking at the levels right now. After we failed this. Is that a 0? Isn't this like imbalances and they usually get filled? Look to the tick, like entry here, stop loss above. Okay, that's kind of hard to time. Damn, breaking, that's a quick put. I think so. I'm done already up through chill session. Nice, bro. Nice. My market is going consolidate. Yeah, it's chopping, bro. Between through 2 pokes and we are in a high volume node. It's a chill market today. Nothing big. Look, this is all we done. Up and down. Here are some buy aggression levels. If we go back here, back to poke, you know. Last line of defense also pretty much. This is the biggest one. Okay. That's it. Any trades taken? Yeah, 3. Took a short 2. Alright, nice. Oh, fuck. Just below the but no follow through from bias on 40 range. On 40 range. I think it was here, right? I don't know if it was here, right? Yeah, okay, it has to be here. Holy shit, this is so... Yeah. I have to learn more about... I have to learn a lot more about footprints. Right now, the only thing I'm watching is these levels. Like, the significant sell and buy delta levels. So for example here, these buyers obviously got trapped, but if we go above, yeah, maybe a reload here. I have one more can pass after I will post my trades. Hope I pass. Nice, bro. Trade, yeah. Have I missed something? 3 trades? Nothing much, nothing more than that. They wicked me out. Happens. This is poke. I don't really want to bother looking at this right now. If I'm gonna buy, I'm gonna buy down here. If I'm gonna sell, I'm gonna sell up here. Right now, this is the middle. It's ranging, yeah. Yo, Matt Morl, are you using 1 minute or 40 range? Peng, you seem like you're using 40, right? Well, I want to know what Martin is also using. If he's still in here. I'm gonna do some trade recaps at the end of all my sessions, since this is now, I'm trading for real now. Or like, I'm not testing stuff. Okay, obviously I'm testing. But I'm not gonna fumble accounts just for the sake of it. I'm gonna get this one founded, but yeah, slow pace. I use both. For more active, I use 1 minute. Okay, nice. I like it. And how do you guys, Martin, Moore, and Peng, how do you guys utilize footprints? Do you use it like I do it right now? So for example, buy aggression, delta level. Look at this one. This one fails, so absorption. Technically, I'm looking for a short like Peng did here. Or if we go above, maybe our entry here on a retest of this, retest of that. I don't know. That's how I'm looking at it right now. I don't see it in any way otherwise. I use both, but I do scalp for 10 feet, so most of for. Okay. Damn, you have to be really quick then. If you scalp on 40 range using footprints also. Like that shit goes. Authorities are the biggest piece of shit. I didn't do anything at my internship for 8 hours straight just to miss my bus to be on time for my... Okay. Maybe we got something here. This is my level. Below here on the left side. Okay, like this. That's a low volume node. We got poke. Yeah. I like trapped and recovery. This is sauce. Okay. So I'm not looking at it wrong. That's the thing. I like it. Like, look at this. Trap buyers. Okay, this got a big print also on it, but these obvious trap buyers if the big order wasn't here. But then you can look at clusters and stuff and so on and so on. Okay, we are at a value area low at the moment. Like for example now, if this now pushes above here, these sellers, I don't know if this is a smart trade right now, but these sellers have to cover themselves. And then maybe I aim back to poke. I don't know. That's why I'm trying. It doesn't look good right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna kill the trade any second now. Yeah. I lost 10, 15 on that. Maybe is that way to use it? Or look now for here, for example. These are some aggressive sellers. If I now put, I don't know, a buy here, and then cover myself below, I don't know, here, and then aim to poke, like this, for example. It was not good. Yeah, look for yeah, that's why the most of the time it's better to wait for at least after 10 minutes. Okay. Don't look at every absorption, look for absorption at important levels. Can we connect? I don't know about that. Yeah, that's why most of the time. Okay, my F is connected. Yeah, look for exhaustion. Okay, wait for. Okay. Yeah, okay. Where's the delta grid? Delta grid. Do you mean the? I can take it up. Yeah, Pablo, you still need to wait for aggression before taking trade. Yeah, but we talked about it. It seems like these guys, they look more at the footprint. Like, I've more said something about it. Like, big trades are warning signs, and footprints are context. I assume that footprints are more important than, right? Yeah, can do bet option telling we go lower at the moment. Oh, okay, that's also nice. This is some tool I have to fix. The good thing is that you have a taste of using. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So okay, my idea was just this rotation, but my entry was not good. Where? I don't know where to enter here. This is sell aggression. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Holy shit. But we are positive gamma, so boring. Okay, yeah, makes sense why it's choppy. You lose less, but you win. Yeah. I like it. Oh, my heart dropped. But you saw the explosion on 102 recovery. Wait, let me see. You saw the explosion on 102 recovery. Do you mean now in this zone, or wait, 102 or all the way down? Do you mean pre-market? What happened here during this shit? The low volume node that we had. Where is price? Shit, I feel like I have to be zoomed in quite a lot. I took along a target poke. Nice. Did 216 seconds. It's because this dumbass is still speaking SMB chairman. Oh. You should use Fulmer for NQ on at least on 5 minutes, the least. Yeah, I'm learning this. I just started with it. I'm gonna talk to a guy today that knows his stuff about this, and yeah. Sell candle in range. Sell candle in range. Oh, you mean okay, this. Yeah, this is crazy accuracy. Damn. My idea was something like this. We see this buy aggression, so we go up, retest on this. Stop loss, I don't know, here maybe, and then aim higher, but it stopped me out. I think it was something. They pop up on that level, yeah. No, but this is really good. I like it. You guys really have to like teach me more since you guys have used it. You have a better feeling for it. You can see on the squeeze down too if it happens. They pop on the leg. You can see on the squeeze down too if it happens. Do you mean if we go lower more? But I don't see a level like this. Maybe, yeah, okay, we got this one. But by the way, how is it 101 here? Contracts, but the delta is like nothing. That shouldn't make sense, right? All the big trades are always this big. Look, big, big, big. This one is small also. What the fuck? I took exactly that. In long, I'm in long to value area high. Okay, CVD also going up. Now you got the power of footprint. That's they got absorbed. Okay, look at this. Look at this buy level here. What's gonna defend on the way lower? Nothing, right? There's nothing that defending until we reach here. Look at this buy level. Okay, now we're defending. Oh. But wait, essentially 1 minute and range is 1 minute is easier to see, like it's easier to find the levels, but 40 range is essentially the same thing, right? Like the levels will be exactly the same, just plotted differently. But this is easier to catch at the moment since it's early. 101, they have limit there. Can you explain that? What do you... Yeah, this is the level. Why isn't it big? You say they have limit there. Passive orders or... They got absorbed. Which prop from Lucid? There are two. Yeah, unfortunately there will be more candles though. Yeah, okay, yeah. That's kind of messed up on the big trades. But isn't it true though? Like, why isn't, like here also? Look at this. Why isn't it plotting like bigger? Oof, look at his absorption. What if I do something like this? Like a reload, I don't know. And these guys have to cover themselves. And then just a quick trade down here, nothing big. And I'm covering myself, I don't know, here? Obviously, guys, I'm just testing. Don't take these trades, you see. I'm losing. I would like to know how you guys play the footprints. Outbreak even. Wait, I'm gonna read what you guys are saying. Okay, now the trade is going. What? Maybe my timing isn't good. Okay, wait, guys. I'm looking for. This is a real legit level. I'm gonna try to look for something. Oh, that's ready for short absorption because there are many small aggressive buyers. 101 sell war match with 101 water on the same level. That's why it's small. What? Is that like fake big orders then? Or like... Pablo, this sleeper can also happen to him. Okay, at when there are buyer, imbalance on top is going to reach for it. Lucid, I use Lucid. Imbalance on top. You mean this one? Okay, this is quite clear. It's going to reach for it. Holy shit, footprints is like a whole new world. Okay, yeah. Let's see. I'm really curious. How do you scalp this so fast? What are the entries? What are the... Back to POC. Okay, back to POC. Nothing's gonna happen now. I'm gonna see what you guys write. Look at the red candle. No participation on the push down. You mean aggressive or like? Because I'm now so fixated on this right now. Look at this. I don't know if I should look even at this right now. But I don't see any aggressive participation. That's true. This is what I'm looking at. I don't know if that's the thing you should look for. I mean, if you see those red delta but no follow through, it could be a long. Those are trap sellers. No focus on the small volume. Okay, I should look at a big picture. Aren't those delta profile? Yeah. I wonder, how do you guys, Peng, how do you play it? And more, do you guys wait till it breaks out and then take the retest, not the stop entry? You know, those trades like I did. Do you only take the retest of the levels? Bro, I like these trades. I'm losing like $10 compared to before. Like, look at this. Okay, here's the level. If you bought here, I don't know, scalp up. Okay, maybe not the best place to buy. I don't know. We got big aggressive seller, but maybe like, look here. If I put a buy stop above, these guys cover themselves. These guys reload. Would that be ideal? That's the thing. And then I cover myself below this. So this is a breakout then, initially. So, okay, now we got them trapped. Oh shit. Holy shit. Don't focus on the small retest. I take break if I see strong aggression on the other side. Damn. Okay, I have to look at this absorption. Damn. Like something like this. Maybe like this. Cover myself right above the aggression up here. Target poke. Okay, it went to poke, but yeah. Would this be like an ideal trade right here? Retest of this level, cover myself right above this poke, this sell buy aggression, the trap buyers. So something like this. Like, I'm willing to. I made some money today. I'm gonna risk what I. Let's see. But this is feel like, what the fuck. Okay, maybe this was not so smart. Since we came from poke, but okay, you get what I mean. Would this be an ideal trade if we did not test the poke? Have to tip to fab. See ya, bro. I'm gonna write to you more about this later. I take the break if I see strong aggression on the side. Wait for at least 2 candles. Like that huge green delta, but no for trap buyers. Like that huge green delta, but no follow through trap buyers. Like this huge green, but no follow through. So you mean this? And then how do you so these trap buyers, and how do you enter? Do you market, execute, like you don't care where it is, just to market and like just to cover yourself right above the trap buyers? You don't wait for something like, you see this, boom, enter directly, stop above, and send it. So for example, something like this, you see this, the second we come back here and we go below this, stop above, and then just target, I guess. So here, for example, trap buyers, oh shit. Now we got some trap buyers, but we have also the poke up here. Buy aggression. I don't know where to enter, man. I don't know. Let's go this for fuck's sake. Maybe, and then just cover myself right below, above this. I guess. Yeah, those 2 green delta, but didn't push it. You see it pushed up way below. So on 40 range, it's already like 2 cans more, reaching for 10 points and now. Oh, okay, Pang, you have to show me this. This is interesting. How you're trading it actually. Because look at this right now. Look at his sell aggression here. So if we go above here, I assume these guys will have to cover themselves. And look at all this buy aggression. They're trying. If we manage to push, we go to poke. But we are failing. So here, for example, we are failing. This is obviously not strength. I don't know what's happening. But maybe taking a short here above all of this sell aggression. Buy aggression. But it feels like I'm going against the grain. Like, oh damn, footprints is quite. Killing this trade. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to look at it actually. Buyers are still on the winning auction for you. You're set where you can wait for acceptance. Yeah, this was fucking weird. Like there's so many levels. But Peng, show me some entries later on Discord. I'm gonna risk my profits. I have $26 left. After that, I think I'm calling it. This is okay for practice sake. For yourself, you can wait for acceptance. All right. Just passed a take profit challenge using nice, bro. Have you tried the speed of tape? No. Nope. No, I haven't. Shit. This is like, I say it, information overload for somebody that hasn't used it before. Like, what should I, what am I looking at? Yeah, okay, and we came back up to the target. Unfortunately, I couldn't find good trades or entries. So narrative was correct, but the entries was shit. I got wicked out. Damn, bro. I got long to 25, 305. Nice. We are at book right now. But since we are bearish, according to bias, this is a good zone to reject. Bruh. Those deltas are just noise if it doesn't have content. If to wait to hit low volume, no value, then you look for confirmation. If there's a weakness going to the other side, or delta is continuation. Can you show me? Maybe you can show me some examples. I understand. Yeah, I've taken some trades in zones where it's not optimal, but when we reach a zone, so for example, now we are at say value area high soon. I want to take a short. How would it look? So you look for buy aggression getting absorbed. That I can understand that. You see sellers pushing, winning, and that's it. But how do you enter on footprints? Like it's so like it feels like you have to be specific on the level. It's crazy that my narrative is 9% every day, but I still managed to. Nah, it's fine, Emmanuel. It's good if your narrative is correct. That means entry timing is on the only the left thing. I have no idea what to do. What's up, Mo? Is it you, Mo, from Discord? What's up? What a beautiful day to jump from. Nah, right, chill, bro. Chill. You don't have to jump from your window. Reject like crate. Poke off last day in value area high. Yeah. Yes. Gap fill, huh? After absorption, wait for initiation and place limit order on big delta levels. All right. We might see seller stepping in. I'm gonna backtest footprints. This was the first day I tried it. 3 trades were good attempts. The rest were just to try. It's me, bro. Lol, I don't know how to go about this whole thing. Yeah. I feel you. I know it's a lot, but piece by piece. I wouldn't even trade, to be honest. Like Mo, just get the narrative correct. Understand, okay, where are we going? Don't take trades. Don't look for entries. Nothing. Just read order, big orders, value area low, value area high. See what's accepted, not accepted. If you're rejecting something, and just yeah, like for example, today I did this today. Look at this. I watched this and I was like, okay, I'm looking for a gap fill. Rejected value area low. So when we rejected, came back to poke, we pushed over it. I was like, okay, maybe a gap fill, and it's happening right now. Obviously, I failed on entering here, but it's fine. Narrative was correct. Short, I'm shorting. Why bearish buy? My buy is bullish since we are in the low of considering we have huge gap to fill. Yeah. Internal, I was bullish because of the gap fill, but long term bearish. We shifted lower on the volume profiles. I'll DM you some sample on display. It's not always a 100, but it's high probability ISO. So if I'm wrong, then yeah, okay, sure. Thank you, bro. You don't need footprint. You did very well without using it. Yeah, but yeah, it went good. Yes, I agree. But the thing is, Musan, when I see it, you see the levels like super clearly, and your stops are like super tight. I wonder if Fabio uses footprints though. I don't think he does, right? Buy aggression. Push up to fill this. Pockets right here. Right here. Yeah, thanks. No worries, bro. He does. From what I've seen, Fab's using is the 40 ren and at the open, then he switched to 1 minute and also the 5 minute pro. Okay. Delta volume on candles is crazy, overstimulated for the brain. Yeah, it's a lot. He does use food. He does. In the 40 ren, you can use the accumulation better, Pablo. Okay. He does sometimes, especially on key levels. Okay. Yeah, so it's good to test it to see, get a feeling for it. But for now, yeah, I understand some things. Like, let's zoom in here. Obviously, in hindsight, it's super easy to, but look at this sell aggression, pushing lower, failing, but then we push above, retest, like, okay. We didn't really touch the level, but you get what I mean. It's like details on what happened, but to analyze this in real time, oof, that shit. For me right now, quite hard. Look at this. Bomb. Okay, this is the 40 range chart. You can find good entries here and TP. Yeah, I clearly see why it's beneficial to use it, but because look at this, you can get like buy order here, stop loss, I don't know, say below, and it's like tight stop loss. Like I taken maybe 5 quick stops, but bro, I'm still up on the day. You see how small stops, and that feels much better than taking minus 80. Essentially, I'm betting on the momentum at the moment, the second I enter. Like, if it's gonna go, it's gonna go. If it's not gonna go, take me out. Like here, for example, you buy here, and you're like, if you're gonna go now. If not, take me out. Okay, it took me out. Maybe it explodes now lower. And yeah, it saves you triple your money. Brother, trading 1 minute chart, bro. That's why it's good to have another chart on your screen to see the whole picture. Yeah. Hey, Rio. What happened? Okay, we got the gap fill now. I'm gonna look at my... Obviously, I have to learn about footprints, but now we are in an area that it's quite interesting, to be honest. Okay, back to square one. Or fundamentals. Okay. Will we get... Can we get something here? Okay, essentially this is the same thing, so... Okay, buy aggression at the top. This is a reload level, actually. Here's a sell level. That's so significant. This is the gap fill. Okay, we got it fill. Okay, we're rejecting value area high now. This is could be something to look for right now. Why is this on the chart? I don't know. I wanted to enter on this big sell order here. And I don't know, maybe like, look, I'm risking $12. By all means, bro. If it takes me out, that's fucking good. That's nothing. And I'm just shorting the momentum at the moment. Stopped. Okay, I'm not stopped out. You see, I'm negative $5, not 80. Obviously, this feels like we get take a lot of stops. And maybe I should give it some breathing room, because right now I may be placing it too narrow. Like too... Ugh. Cover myself right above everything again. So buyers are getting shit on. Sellers are pushing, winning. Let's see if they hold it. This will go. And if it goes, where is my target? 300. Yeah, okay, that's quite steep. Yeah, I'm gonna cover myself above this. This is Trap buyers, sellers are winning. If they hold it, we will go. We came from value area high. Only thing is, this is POC right here. Right here is POC. It's not the best place, but if we break below it, then we got this zone instead. Yeah, we got rejection from POC. I'm gonna give it this. If it comes back up, take me out. Break even. Because if these trap sellers don't hold, then I don't want to be in it. They can bounce from there. Yeah, that's why a small stop loss. Just because POC is here. Okay, good. Took me out. If price comes lower past all of this, then I would just look for a model, a trend model or something back down. Long. It's gonna push up. Yeah, from here you can keep pushing. Wait for consecutive to go. Fabio also use dark pool data and options. What is dark pool data? The buy still control long 3. There's an imbalance. Why you are selling? Because we are bearish. Bias is bearish. We are in value area high. So what do you do then? You sell. I hope you like, you see, narrative is clear, but timing is hard. If I held that, I'm up 1 to 4. But it's easy to say, it's hard to do it. Obviously, I would have held it if not POC was here. Okay, I'm trying to look for some re-entry here. Let me turn on deep effort. Are trading real money? No. Now it's pushing, yeah. I train. This is practice. Not real money. Broke above this buy aggression. Let's see if I can find a re-entry. Take a... What? I was filled here, bro, but it took me... Okay, never mind. Value area low. Ah, okay, wait. Maybe it's not. Okay, no, never mind. Let's cover myself. Let's give it some breathing room. Let's give it some breathing room. Reload level. If you break past this, then I really think we might squeeze. Look at his low volume nodes all the way down. Just go past this line. Let's see. If we go past here, sellers reload, we gotta push. Obviously, that's the theory. That doesn't mean it has to happen. It looks like it. We are fucking falling. Where's POC? Okay, and look at this. We accepted price back into value area right now. We are accepting at the moment. This is the decision point, basically. If We go low now. Accept in. Where is Poke? Here. That's a 1 to 3. How much experience you have? Nothing, bro. Nothing. That's a good reversal trade. No fall up though. Up the top, your TP hit on. Yeah. I was a little bit cautious because of the poke, but I would have held. That would have been a great trade, actually. Like, look at this. 1 to 9, but who holds it like obviously it's quite but yeah, this is also a good trade. Could have been better because if this is value area low, no, this is value area high plus what was it? Nah, it was just value area high to me. We can find some rejection, but we broke through, so price accepted into it. My target is poke. That's it. I'm de-risking now. I'm risking $9 to make 102. So wait, maybe I should cover myself above this here, 25, because if you push past this, then I don't want to be in it. And I'm seeing that we got some buyers entering here, but we got some aggressive sellers also losing now. If we go below this, then we will flush to poke. I believe Fabio said when this happens, they will distribute to this zone, to the sellers, to retest it. Let's see. The thing is, this is also a high volume node right here. So no wonder how you say it? No wonder it came here, or it rejected from here. Let's see. I'm still betting on the POC reversal. Might happen. Retested the reload level to the dot. You know what? Might be good to cover him right above. So, or is it? Maybe we get a retest. I'm still gonna risk it. It's fine. It's $15. Let's see. That's bro, you trade 100 USD is nothing. Risk. Why would I risk more, bro? If I'm practicing, your stop loss would be at least the negative data, so they can play. If it goes beyond that, it will probably fail. Yeah. This is the protection zone. If it holds, it will hold, and we will go. I wonder if when we get this retest, what will happen? Holy gambler, you can only make money. Yeah, it's not how you do it. Like, don't risk. You see my trades. I take small trades, obviously. I'm just trying stuff. This has, if this holds, it looks like it's gonna hold. And if it comes back up, you know what? Break even now. I'm not interested in this trade if it comes back up. This has to break now if we're gonna go. So risk-free trade. Then I'm done for today. But I'm still betting on the gap POC fill, POC buy, because we accepted price back into value area. Your first entry on top is good though. Yeah. The only thing was the POC. I would have held it 100%. Who they are protecting your buyers and sellers, bro. It looks like we go. I took short to bit. My field was shit. Now it's gonna take break even. Yeah, I'm break even now. Now if we break below this, say hello to POC. If it doesn't fail, obviously. And this is not 100% guarantee, but it is high chance. High chance. That's true. It is high chance. This is value area low on the range, but high chance that we go to POC. And you know what? I'm securing at least 37 bucks. So profit, stop in profit. Maybe others would have held it. Or should I go for a hell? You know what? Here. It's one. It's, what is it? $37. Nothing. I'm holding it to POC. Fuck it. I'm giving it some breathing room. Reload. Ah, brother. What's up, Storms? Reload. We are inside the value area. I wouldn't take a trade. No, yeah. Fabio said too much noise in value. You should not take ranging trades in the highs and lows. We enter it. Yeah. I had a trade up here. This was my first trade, but stopped out for break even. But off this range play then. Now this was my second one. Retest here. And yeah, 1 to 3. I don't know why I'm greeding. I'm going for the POC, but I feel like POC is gonna shift up any second. You guys think I should kill the trade or let it go? As soon as I see a POC shifting, I'm gonna kill it. But for now, I'm gonna hold it. Fabio sucks. What the fuck? Thanks to Fabio, I got the payout, bro. Thanks to ICT, I lost money. I wouldn't say it sucks, to be honest. Take some money and let it run. It's fine, bro. It's gonna most likely come up now and stop me out then. It's no stress. This is an account that I got. Okay. This is an account that I got with no time limit. So I can trade this as long as I want. Like as long as I want. That's no stress to getting funded. No stress of winning. Don't kill trades completely. Yeah. Obviously, I couldn't take some profit. It was one contract. That's the issue. But makes sense where it rejected from. High volume node. We failed again. You can't kill here. And yeah. Okay. I'm done for today. Let's see some trade recaps. Some real ones like this one. This would have been a trade, but I killed it, so it was break even. This was a trade also, a retest. I don't know where I put it. The aim was down here. Yeah. I'm too tired for this today, actually. This Fabio method is bullshit. ICT better. Alright. I agree, bro. You should, you would eat yourself if you kill a nice train, except if you break even with some money taken out. Yeah, it's fine. You just got shit on minus 8. We will fill the gap. We filled it. What was your bias for the bearish actually? But in try I was bullish because I wanted the gap, do the gap fill. If you replay the session, I wanted to fill this gap. It was like up here something. And then after that we were in value area high. This zone I wanted to look for a short, which we got, but first one break even because of POC. I could have hold it, but why risk it? So why it's POC? And the second one could have taken a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, but I went for the POC fill, so I greeded there technically. Happens, but I'm still satisfied with today. I'm up $12. Break even then. Holy Jewish fake! I tried to short to POC with stop limit. What? Holy Jewish! I tried to short to POC with stop limit. Ay. And got shit on. This was the reason, bro. Look, this high volume node on the left side. You see it? If I went 2 contracts in this, I would have killed one trade here. Obviously, to take profits makes sense. But yeah. Then I also greeded for nothing. Okay, time is 5 o'clock. According to my rules, no more trading. So I'm going to go out from this one. That's it. That's it. Let's see. Maybe short low key again. No, we can, but I'm not allowed to take any more trades now. This is the thing that will keep. I noticed one thing. I don't get affected by losses. I get affected by being undisciplined. That's the thing that kills my psychology, my mentality. If I lose a trade, you guys have seen me lose several trades. It doesn't affect me. It's fine. But if I now take more trades while my deadline is over, then shit might, stuff might happen. Taking partial with Jamaica. Yeah, I agree. This is fine. It's true, bro. The thing is, I had only 1 contract in the trade. If I had 2, I would take partials. I had my stop here, but I wanted to give it some freedom. In worst case, I lost $30. If I took a break even around here. But it's fine. It's correct, Alex. I'm not fucked up by losses, but fucked up because I find. Okay. What's time? Yeah, okay. Time's up. Got to go. Good luck, guys. Trade safely. Take partials. Take profits. Don't greed like I did today. 1 to 3, kill the trade. Today, if I kill the trades on my 1 to 3s, I would be up maybe 250. And that's from risking $12, $20 on trades. So it's a good day actually. If I did take profits. But I'm satisfied. Okay, good luck, guys. Bye-bye.